Coming over. Wait, what?
McLaren! McLaren! McLaren, I demand attention.
Nova. What?
I know. How am I doing? Is it a mystical diva ability powered by my musical success?
No, there are two of you. Probably from that silly science fiction mirror you won at the space fair.
Aww.
Still, well done. On a day everyone's talking about fears, you've managed to create my biggest nightmare. 2 Novas.
I got my family. They bring out the best of me. And you know there's nowhere I'd rather be than with you.
Oh, look at Nova and Avon. It's just like dancing in the mirror.
My doug's going down a tree. Tub's still full. I can make pizzas all night long.
Your celeb life is so fun. I'd love to do what you do. I wish you could. The thought of performing at Jellyzania gives me the major wobbles. Done!
Okay, listen up, party people. Nova's got her big audition tomorrow, so Nova, don't stay up late. Avon, don't keep Nova up late. Captain... Oh, you're already asleep.
The tea bags. Where's the tea bags?
And Sid, watch the never-ending dough. The last thing I want to wake up to is... Sid! I told you so. Sid, I asked you for one thing. One job to keep the dough under control.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nova, Avon, wake up! It's Nova's virtual audition this morning.
I need to do a wish call from here in half an hour.
Clean this up fast. Nova, go and get dressed for your audition. Avon, bed!
Captain, I found it. I found my very own fear. It's upsetting McLaren and losing my job.
You don't want to be in McLaren's bad book, Sid. Once, I forgot to throw my sweet wrapper in the bin and she gave me a very stern look.
Oh, I better get this place tidied up right away.
I see you found the Dole swimming pool, eh?
Will Nova Jones please report to the diner for the Jellyzania audition? That means now, Nova.